Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to install and activate FL Studio 21 on a freshly installed Windows 11. I actually installed this on my 12 years old laptop, which is Lenovo G570 with Intel Core i3, and I guess it's second generation, 6 gigs of RAM, and I'm quite surprised that it's actually running great. Anyway, so as you can see, I didn't even install Google Chrome on it. I just finished installing it, but the first thing I'm gonna do is to install FL Studio. Okay, so here I have FL Studio. All the link will be in the description. So we're gonna right click on it and run it as an administrator. Okay, click yes. Here click next. I agree. Next. 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 Just keep everything default and click next. Okay, install. Now let it install, don't do anything, just let it do its own work. Now we have to install ISO for all drivers. Just click next in here. I accept the terms and license agreement. Click next. Next. Install. Finish. Next. Next. Finish. Now here we have our FL Studio 21 right here. Now let's load that up. Now when you load up your FL Studio, this box should pop up. Just click on here, I agree, and unlock with account. And here you're gonna have to put your image line account ID and password. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. After you have put your image line account ID and password, click on unlock with account. Okay, and it will say the license was installed. FL Studio will now restart. I'm gonna click on restart without saving because we have nothing on it. If you have any problem in installation and activation of FL Studio, I specially made a video on it that should pop up right now. Go check that out. Okay, it's each and every process and details of how to register and activate, as well as how to create and sign up with your image line account and register your serial key and stuff. So do check that out if you have any problem in installation FL Studio. Okay, so our FL Studio have successfully loaded up, and you can check if it is registered or not. If you go in help and click on about section, and you can see right here that FL Studio is unlocked and registered to the ID. Okay, so yeah guys, this is pretty much it. This is how you install FL Studio on your freshly installed Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and like I said, if you have any issues and problems, I specifically made a video on how to register and activate FL Studio. that is a detailed video. Okay, so go check that out, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace, I'm out. Please do comment, rate and subscribe.